Hello, welcome back to another episode of Two Spanners. Today we are finally putting some interior back in the Corsa. It was supposed to be the whole interior back in the Corsa, but we have had a little bit of delay on the steering wheel. Well, long story short, we weren't happy with it. It just weren't done to the standard that we were expecting. Excuse noisy pants behind me here, banging around whilst I'm trying to do an intro. So we've got this table laid out here, and any bits and bobs that have been sort of stored whilst we're doing the other bits on the Corsa are all dusty and that, because this is a paint shop obviously, or this is not the actual paint shop, but this is part of a bodywork company. So we'll just make sure everything's all clean and wiped down before it goes in. And then here we flip the screen round, we have a nice empty Corsa. So yeah, if you watch any of our previous videos, this turned into a bit of a parts shed for a little while. So Chris has cleaned it all out, all lovely, ready to go. Here's the man himself. It's just popping the rear trims in now.
Hello everyone.
That wasn't very exciting.
Well, it's been a disaster week in it for me, so I'm not very happy.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Yes, so we have had a few problems today. We'll probably touch on them today, this week should I say. A few little setbacks and delays, but hopefully most of them are rectified. I'd say we're still waiting on the steering wheel at the minute. A couple of other little bits of like fully finishing interior, but we've got to start getting cracking with it. We want this thing on the road soon. So probably going to capture some footage on the GoPro and do a bit of time lapsing and that, so you don't have to see all the not so exciting bits, and then we'll catch up with you again when we're doing some of the more interesting stuff. Hope you enjoyed the Corsa content. Don't forget to like and sub, and we'll catch up with you again soon. Right guys, at this point in the video, after the sort of intro and probably seeing a little bit of time lapsing of Chris doing some stuff on the GoPro, we ended up just absolutely cracking on. So rather than filming absolutely everything going in and all the working out and whatnot, because we've literally been here all day, good 10-12 hour day today, we'll roll some B-roll. Enjoy.
Something fresh. See you, yeah? I'm gonna fuck you up. You're gonna come up here like you're mad. I'm gonna fuck you up, blood.